Hi, it's Debbie, and this is day 14 of 30-day diet using Tupperware. I didn't wear this coat the first day because it didn't fit, so I'm happy to report that it's still a little tight, but I can wear it now. So I'm not sure what goes in all these pockets. That doesn't fit. I think you can put stuff in. Here, I don't know what you can put in these pockets, but they must have things you can put in them, and that's probably not it. But to be distracting, right? Okay, so we have a full lineup today. We have yogurt and papaya for breakfast, chicken fajitas left over from dinner last night for lunch. We have grilled chicken. We have maybe cauliflower rice again. That was really good. I enjoyed that. Cauliflower rice, my favorite green beans. And then for snacks, we're having cherry tomatoes, pickles, carrots, and nuts. Okay? And we'll start with the cauliflower rice because that takes a little while to cook. But oh, it is so good. I love cauliflower rice. And I would have never known it if I didn't try it. Sometimes I don't try new food because there's so many foods I already like. I don't need to add any. I don't need to add any. I already have way too many foods that I like. And I want to make sure you guys know that, if you don't like the cherry tomatoes or you don't like cucumbers or whatever I'm making, this is a diet that you can adjust to whatever you like to eat. When it makes that noise, it usually means I'm doing it wrong. My normal user error, like the spiralizer the other day, was user error. The thing works really well when you use it properly. See how easy it is to just smash up that cauliflower? I have to put it on right. Really, really mix it in the cauliflower rice really quickly. So, this is the non-stick Tupperware pan. It's not coated. It's layered, special layering of metal, aluminum, steel. This is olive oil. This is the counterscape. This thing is awesome, especially for like soyu, because my kids could never see when they dumped it over, so I'd end up with soyu all over the place. So that counterscape is good. So a little olive oil. I have some garlic and ginger. You can salt and pepper. You can put whatever you want in it. It was really good the other day. It's really hot. It won't burn though. It's really hard to burn it. I'll try though, just for you guys. And a little bit of salt and pepper. It doesn't take long to make it. Especially since the Power Chef is really good at cutting it up into small rice-sized pieces. Just mix it up really well. I had it on way too hot, but I wanted to warm it up so it wouldn't take as long to cook. I really don't want to make hour-long videos. I'm already stressed doing 15 to 20-minute videos. But actually it doesn't take that long to get ready for your meal. I want to show you how it doesn't take very long to get ready for your meals. So we'll cover that. I'm going to have a microfiber towel. Salt, pepper, The salt and pepper we're gonna need for we're gonna do chicken breasts in the micro grill. So I'm gonna put salt and pepper. You can put whatever seasoning you want. Yesterday I put Southwest Chipotle. That's a Tupperware blend that you can make online. They have recipes, or you can do a spice workshop and we can show you how to do it yourself. And everybody takes home spices. To make sure that the chicken is touching the metal. When you first put it in, the pan is not that hot. It's not hot at all. So it has to heat up. So when it heats up, you don't have to put it in as long the second time. I can't believe I never tried cauliflower rice before. Some people like put onions in it. Some people do it with potatoes. Okay, so we're waiting for all that to cook. We're gonna do our papaya. The knives Tupperware makes are really good too. The metal goes not right here, it goes all the way through the blade. You can tell when it's a cheap knife when it doesn't go all the way through the shaft. My special Tupperware. And this will be for breakfast tomorrow. You put it on there and you look for a fruit or papaya. And you put it halfway or all the way open, depending on what it says. And I'm going to do both of them because then when I want it for the next day or somebody else wants to eat it, usually if I don't have it as a fruit for the next day, that means somebody in my house ate it. So I had to pick a different fruit for the day. You can see when my grandsons are here, they want my oranges, they want my grapes, they want my melon, and that's not a bad thing, that's a good thing. It says it takes like 15 minutes to cook the cauliflower rice, but it doesn't take that long. But keep stirring it because you don't want it burned. It's hard to burn it in that though. I have not bought a tank top yet for Tupperware, but that might be the next purchase. Because it's like 90 degrees out, but I have my AC blasting. Okay, here's the nuts. This is a half of a snack cup, and it fits a quarter of a cup. So I found that, and I was like, oh, that's good for a snack. This is the yogurt for tomorrow with the papaya. 2 grams of sugar. You have to go and look whatever grams of sugar. You don't want sugar. The one that I tried the other day had no sugar. It was good though. And while I remember, I tried the maple and brown sugar oatmeal. No sugars. It was really good. Okay, we'll do our snacks. as soon as we turn over that's already browning. My microwave, the top browns before the bottom. So you just turn it over. Put it on for another 4 minutes and I can check it. It's pretty thick chicken breast. But usually it only takes like 3 minutes on each side. So we're going to do our snack next. These lunches are great. I found that I'm not eating all the snacks except the cherry tomatoes. The cherry tomatoes, I'm eating whatever I put in there, and then you're allowed to grab more, so I'm not sure I need to eat that many every day, but the cherry tomatoes they have are super sweet. It's almost like eating candy, and if you had told me that I would say that before, I would say no way in hell that that's what I would say. But I'm telling you, they're really sweet. We'll also do pickle. I like pickles. I guess you can tell that. The trick is to find that the stuff that you like to snack on, and you make that for your snacks. So I have snacks. A reminder, the reason why I put it in here is that I'm going to go out. I can just grab it. I don't have to make it. It takes a few minutes to make it. I might not make it. I might just say, oh, that's okay. I'll grab something healthy to eat at McDonald's and yes, they do have healthy food at McDonald's. Their grilled chicken is really good. Okay, this is the leftover chicken fajitas. It's in the vent and serve, so when I'm ready to eat it, I can just pop this up, stick it in the microwave, maybe like 2 minutes or a minute and start, and then another minute. Okay, don't laugh, but my favorite green beans are Del Monte canned green beans. I know not everybody likes Del Monte canned green beans, but I can sit here and eat a whole can of them, but I won't. This is the divided vent and serve. They have the Crystal Wave on sale right now, but they don't have this one very often. They don't have the divided Crystal Wave very often either. I'm not sure why, but it's a really good thing to have. I'm determined to find something that fits in the pocket. If anybody knows, message me and let me know what they put in that pocket. They have pockets all over. No pocket here. Well, maybe you can put a pen in there. Oops, that didn't work very well. We'll put a pen in there. I don't know what that was. pen fits. Okay, how's that? Do I look official? Tupperware, and I have stuff in my pockets. Let's put this one in here. So I look official. This is still at 425 degrees, so just be careful. But it's cooked. Can you see how cooked it is? If you leave it in here, it's going to keep cooking. So you don't want to do that because it's cooked already. And our cauliflower rice is done. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put the cauliflower rice in the other half, or it's like the 2/3. That looks really good. So you can put the cauliflower rice and the green beans. And then I'm going to take the chicken breast. And you can cut it up if you want, or you can just stick it in on a bed of the cauliflower rice. Doesn't that look good? I think it looks awesome. I can't wait to have it for dinner. But you can put it in the refrigerator and store it for later. Or heat it up a couple minutes, check it. This chicken breast I'm gonna save. We'll slice it up and make something. If you're not gonna eat it right away, put it in the vet and serve and freeze it, because the vet and serve you can put it in a freezer. You can microwave it and then you can eat right from there. Okay, thank you very much for watching. This is day 14. That means day 15, I will give you the results of how I've done. Did I lose weight? I'm not going to ask if it looks like I lost weight, because I know I have a lot to lose, so it's not noticeable until you lose more. If you're really skinny and you lose like 5 or 10 pounds, then you look skinny fast. So it's going to take a while for it to be noticeable. But I'm excited. I really appreciate everybody watching. Have a great day. And I'll see you tomorrow with day 15.